Like it or not, the government of South Africa will have to listen to the people of South Africa and do what we request. So, Jacinta Mangobese Zuma, the leader of March and March, has confirmed that starting from now, March and March will be every Thursday. It means that the government every Thursday, they must have another 600 million rand. It means budget for a month should be 2.4 billion rand. Will the government have that money? We don't know. So, but looking at the way March and March today went, it was so successful, guys. And we also appreciate those people who were behaving, because people must not be violent. Let it be a peaceful march. So, let's talk in the comment section. Do you think government will have that 2.4 billion rand for every Thursday? And also, she also said any political party that did not support this March and March movement, namely ANC, EFF, DA, PA, PAC, VF+, etc., it means we are not going to vote for them for November 2026. So let's talk in the comment section. What do you think about this?
Since 6 months, as we making it, right? But the man paid and paid, and I let Nithi kulo 6 months njenge-March and March sesimemenzela into entsha ezodinga uhulumeni ukuthi uhlale unawo shame 600 million. Guys, from now on, eSouth Africa yonke, for as long bengakahambi, every Thursday siyamasha. Budget of 600 million. Ngoba for as long as sisahlala nendawo enje like this khona if ungakazube la point ama drugs adayiswe empini kabhala la